Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see shortcuts not working problem on your iOS 17. To fix this, first of all, open your settings and then go through these shortcuts. Then turn off the iCloud sync for a few seconds and then again turn it on. Once you do this, go back to your home page. Then open the shortcuts and delete shortcuts. If this doesn't solve, then press hard on the shortcut and remove app, and then again reinstall this app and add all of your shortcuts again. Once you do this, you do force restart your iPhone. To do this, click on the volume up button and volume down and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen. This will surely solve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.